Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Warning! Your big attention is required as your life is about to change forever after this video. Imagine if in minutes from now you could get access to the world's first AI-powered app that creates ultra-realistic human-talking 3D AI avatar videos in multiple languages and celebrity AI voices in just 2 minutes flat, and automatically sell them on Fiverr, Upwork into our built-in secret 320 million traffic pool while banking you $567.82 per day on complete autopilot. Sounds like a life-changing opportunity? Look, the demand for 3D AI avatar videos is at an all-time high, and marketers around the globe are dependent on AI avatars for their business presentations, sales videos, product promos, customer support, and much more. And therefore, in no time, AI avatar videos became the supreme ruler of the online marketing world with no signs of slowing down. And to your surprise, AI avatar videos are booming like never before. Here are some facts. As per the latest report by Statista, the AI avatar video industry is worth $2.3 billion and is projected to reach $5 billion by 2027. Around 18% of the total internet traffic is from AI avatar videos. Every 8 out of 10 businesses are using AI avatars in their marketing campaigns. 38% of the news and TV channels are using AI avatars as their spokesperson. The engagement rate on AI avatar videos is 18 times better, and an average AI avatar creator earns over $120,000 yearly on Fiverr and Upwork. Hence, there's no doubt why AR avatar videos are the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the AI avatar video industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of AI avatar video creation is not easy at all. It comes with a premium price and hard work. Creating AI avatar spokespersons from scratch requires lots of video editing skills and experience. An AI avatar video creator platform could easily charge you anywhere from $297 to $997 monthly. And hiring expensive AI avatar video designers and freelancers could easily cost you tens of thousands of dollars, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way, where you can easily create, customize, and download high-quality AI avatar videos in the blink of an eye? Introducing AI AvatarStudio, the world's first AI-powered app that creates ultra-realistic human-talking 3D AI avatar videos in multiple languages and celebrity AI voices in just 2 minutes flat. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. It automatically sells them on Fiverr, Upwork, into our built-in secret 320 million traffic pool, while banking you $567.82 per day on complete autopilot. Finally, this revolutionary AI avatar builder app lets you create, customize, and download ultra-realistic 3D AI avatar videos in any language and niche you want. Collect unlimited buyer leads with our done-for-you stunning video opt-in templates. Instantly add your favorite celebrity AI voices to AI avatar videos. Turn any image into 3D animated human talking AI avatar video. Choose from our 100+ stunning AI male and female AI models. Craft mind-blowing AI avatar videos using our done-for-you 1,000+ stunning video templates. Generate high-quality video scripts and convert them into professional voiceovers with built-in text-to-speech feature. Craft limitless AI content like AI images, backgrounds, audio, music, and more with our built-in AI stock library. Embed AI avatar videos to your websites, funnels, and blogs to skyrocket your traffic, conversion, and sales. Create and sell unlimited AI avatar videos with our commercial license. One-click social media share. Flash your AI avatar videos to all your social media platforms with one click. Embed your affiliate links to AI avatar videos and drive free targeted traffic and sales on complete autopilot. And the best part, you can get all this done in less than 2 minutes with just a few mouse clicks. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating AI avatar videos from scratch, say goodbye to the expensive video designers and voiceover artists, and finally stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party AI avatar builder platforms. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI avatar builder app while driving automated leads, sales, and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, AI Avatar Builder is the new game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1, choose template. Choose from our 100+ DFY stunning and fully customizable AI avatar models and templates. Step 2, customize the AI avatar as per your requirements with the world-class drag and drop feature and add your custom script. Step 3, generate and profit. Start profiting by selling these high in-demand AI avatar videos on Fiverr or Upwork while banking $567.82 per day on complete autopilot. And it doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create ultra-realistic, human-talking 3D AI avatar videos in multiple languages and celebrity AI voices in just 2 minutes flat? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AI AvatarStudio just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we'll be closing our doors for good. Then don't delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There's no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of AI AvatarStudio at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.